Okay, today we're going to change our pre-filter for our HVAC. First thing we're going to do is turn up our thermostat so that AC doesn't come on while we're changing the filter. Take this filter out. Been in there for about 2.5 to 3 months. It's super dusty. We're actually going to replace with a reusable filter from K&N, and I'll tell you why. So this current filter is a MERV 10, and we're going to move to something that gives a little more filtration and is reusable. We don't have to throw it in the landfill every 3 months. So it's going to cost a little bit more money up front, but in the long run pay for itself and give us a little better filtration. So while we have the filter out, I'm going to vacuum, try and get rid of any additional dust and debris that's in there. So here's our replacement filter. This is a reusable, washable filter from K&N. We're not looking to increase the horsepower of our HVAC. We're just looking to have better filtration. This is MERV 11, so it should catch a little bit smaller particles than our previous filter. And we won't throw this away every time we replace it. We'll actually wash it out. All right, so it comes with a card where we can keep track of how often we are cleaning it, which is handy, as well as cleaning instructions, installation instructions. That's the filter itself. So it looks like this on one side. K&N logo. It has a directional arrow pointing up for the flow. And so this side right here is facing down. We'll see this from the bottom. Let's go pop it in. Alright, so I'm just holding it in place. We're just going to close this little door and latch it up. We should be good to go for another 2 or 3 months. Okay, we're all installed. See the little K&N logo there. See the clean filter, and that's going to be a wrap. Hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe. I'll put a link to this and other filters for various sizes in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.